What is contracts trading? Contracts trading allows you to trade on an asset's price movement without owning it, whether it's a stock, commodity, or cryptocurrency. You can buy a Bitcoin contract at a fraction of the market price, otherwise known as a margin. SnapEx allows you to trade on margins of between 10 times to 100 times leverage. If you have 1,000 USDT in your trading account, you can leverage up to 100 times and trade digital assets at a maximum of 100,000 USDT in market value. To start trading on margins, you need to buy a contract and enter a long or short position. Think Bitcoin's price will go up? Enter into a contract by going long to profit from that rise. Think it will go down? Enter into a contract by going short to profit from that fall. Your profit or loss is the difference between the price you entered your position and the price when you close it. Let's say you have 1,000 USDT in your trading account. You enter a position of 100 USDT with 10 times leverage. When the market increases by 1%, you have a 10% profit. When the market decreases by 1%, you have 10% loss. The higher the leverage, the more your profit or loss will be. Start trading on SnapEx by depositing a minimum of 50 USDT. Place an order from as low as 10 USDT to as much as 20,000 USDT. SnapEx, a digital asset contract trading platform for everyone.